Welcome to the Weather Centre, everyone. A weak cold front brushed over the peninsula earlier today, bringing some light rain to the region. And over the next couple of days, we expect a few more of those weak fronts to reach the area. Unseasonably hot conditions, on the other hand, continue all across the central, northern and eastern parts of the country. And although that continues for the next few days, by the end of this week, some wet weather is expected to settle in. That will help start cooling things down. Here's a quick check of the satellite imagery, and there's the front that moved over the southwestern corner earlier today, bringing an onshore flow along with it, and that pushed in enough cloud that brought some light rain to Cape Town earlier on. That front is going to weaken and dissipate during the course of this afternoon, while much of South Africa will be quite clear. On the Highveld as well as in KZN, it will be partly cloudy. There could be a couple of thunder showers, and as mentioned, it is going to be hot once again all across the area. Later on, an onshore flow pushes in moisture along the east coast. It will become fairly cloudy for some areas over eastern KZN, and there could also be some light rain, especially along the northern coastline of that province. That includes Richards Bay mostly into this evening. Further inland, isolated thunder showers around the Drakensberg and Lesotho into the eastern Free State. Parts of Gauteng, you could have a few thunder showers, as well as for some areas on the Mpumalanga Highveld and Escarpment. And just remember that those thunderstorms will be quite isolated. Winds this afternoon are going to be quite gusty for both Durban and Richards Bay, southwesterlies in that area. Light winds further inland, but we also see winds picking up for parts of the Karoo. De Aarde gets up to 25 kilometers per hour. Temperatures climb above 30 degrees all across the northern parts for today. Bloemfontein gets to 33, while Uppington will be approaching that 40-degree mark. Milder in the south, a lovely day expected for that southern coastline where temperatures will peak in the mid-20s. A look further ahead for Cape Town, and as mentioned, there will be a couple of cold fronts this week. Those will be quite weak. The next one heads through the area on Tuesday, and on Wednesday a third front reaches the region. That will continue to bring in light rain at times, but by Thursday things dry up. The southeasterly wind will pick up into the city, and towards the weekend we're going to see temperatures rising once again. For the meantime, an upper air trough seems to be approaching the area. That could bring a few showers on Saturday, but that won't stop the temperature from climbing into the 30s. A look ahead to tomorrow for the rest of the country, and we see it's going to be a hot day for most areas. KZN sunny and dry, 31 for Durban. And on Wednesday it's going to be cooler and wetter over the southern parts. We could have a few showers reaching southern KwaZulu-Natal, but the heat continues for most of the interior.